Small interfering RNA. Small interfering RNA, sometimes also known as short interfering RNA. It is a class of 20 to 25 nucleotides long RNA molecule that interfere with the expression of the genes. siRNA, they are naturally produced as a part of RNA interference pathway by the enzyme dicer. Exogenously introduced by the investigators to bring about knockdown of particular genes. siRNA have a well-defined structure, a short 21 nucleotide double stranded of RNA with two nucleotides overhang on both ends of the RNA molecule, including the 5-phosphate group and the 3-hydroxyl group. So this is the structure of a typical siRNA. Here we can see that short, usually 21 nucleotide double-stranded RNA molecules with two nucleotides overhang. So here is approximately 21 nucleotides long and two nucleotides on both ends, they are overhanging. This is the diagram of a typical siRNA, short double-stranded RNA molecule. These are the nucleotides. Here we can see that these are the nucleotides. Two nucleotides are overhanging on three end and same is here on the other end. So this is called as 5 end. This is called as seed region and this is called as central region of the siRNA molecule. siRNA molecule is usually somewhere between 19 to 21 base pair long, and here are two nucleotides overhang on both sides. This double-stranded molecule attaches to the messenger RNA. Once it attaches to the messenger RNA, usually it degrades the messenger RNA so that there will be no expression of the genes. Small interfering RNA that have an integral role in the phenomena of RNA interference. A form of the transcriptional gene silencing. Usually they have integral role for the transcriptional gene silencing. In case of siRNA, a single base pair difference between the sequence of siRNA and the sequence of the messenger RNA is sufficient to block the transcription or the translation of the messenger RNA. Several different methods of the expression are present in case of small interfering RNA, and there are several different methods of the delivery of siRNAs to the cells. Dicer type 3 RNAs cleave long double-stranded RNA into siRNA 21 to 25 nucleotides long from the exogenous sources. Here is the diagram of the small interfering RNA siRNA design, 19 nucleotide long. This region, that is 5p region, and this is 3-hydroxyl region. So this strand is called as sense strand and this strand is called as antisense strand of the siRNA. siRNA, small interfering RNAs, sometimes they are called as short interfering RNAs. They are small molecules of 20 to 25 nucleotides long, and they usually interfere for the expression, for the blockage of the expression of the genes.